Hey guys, so if you didn't see the title of my video, it is my birthday. I am turning 30 on May 4th, so whenever I post this, just know I turned 30 on May 4th. But it's not only my birthday, it's Curl's birthday, and they turned 18 this year. And in honor of their birthday, they created this birthday box that was available for $18, and I used my code, so I got it for $11 plus shipping, so it came out to like 25 bucks. But it was worth it for the products that I received in this box that of course I'm going to open up and show you guys. And if you guys want to celebrate my birthday and Curl's birthday, you can use my link, my code, and my link down below and get yourself 20% off at Curl's, and in honor of me and Curl's. So if you want to see what I got in this box, and if you got this box, let me know down in the comments what goodies you got in your box. I'm a little bit sad because I wanted to get the box that came with the t-shirt, and I got the email, I was getting ready to get it, but then it was completely sold out. Everybody ran and got that one, so I couldn't get that one, so it's like boo. But I did get this box, and it has such great products in it that I use actually to get my hair looking this cute. I used some of the products that are in here that I am going to put in the video and demonstrate which ones I used. So if you want to stay tuned and learn more about this box and what I put in my hair, then of course like, subscribe, and share. Now on to the rest of the video. Alright guys, so we're gonna open this up, and the products that I received are amazing. They all smell amazing. They make your hair feel amazing because Curls, it's honestly amazing. I am a big Curls fan. I am a Curls girl, so I am a Curls ambassador because I love their product so much, and I use it on my daughter's hair and my son's hair and my hair. So we are all curly people. We all have different curl patterns and types, so it's perfect that they have a range for all of us. And I'm so excited for these products because some are for my daughter, some are for me. She has her own now, and I have my own, and she can stop using my stuff. She's only 2, guys. She's already going through my products. I cannot imagine once she gets older, I'm gonna have to have like a whole closet just for her of hair care products, because you curly girls know you always have so much product. It's craziness. Alright, so enough of me talking. Let's get into this. So the first product that I received in this box, it is their Aloe and Blueberry Juice Curl Moisturizer, which this product smells like heaven, and it makes my hair feel super soft. I am going to put a clip of me using it because that's what I use for this style. It's part of the products that I use for this style. It says, no poo, no problem. Refresh, revive, and rejuvenate second day curls with pure aloe and blueberries. Formulated with certified organic aloe leaf juice and blueberry extract to prevent breakage and repairs damage. It combats frizz and adds shine, which is amazing. And if you're a curly girl, you know you need that, especially during the humidity and if you're in a rush. But we're in quarantine right now, but it doesn't matter, we're gonna need this. The next product, it is their Goddess Curls Botanical Jelly. This is what it looks like. It is a frizz-fighting botanical holding gel that is formulated with certified organic mango, which is why it smells amazing. Like, this smells crazy good. It has shea butter and plumera flower extract, which is proven to revitalize damaged hair and add moisture. I haven't used this one yet, but I have used their ultimate collection gels, and those are amazing, so I bet this one is just as amazing as those. The next product that I was so excited to put in my hair for this look, it is their Avvocato hair mousse. Guys, my hair is not crunchy. It is super soft. I don't know if you can see it, but it really helps define those curls. And I'm not a big fan of mousse, but this one I am a fan of, and it smells so delicious. I'm not even like lying to you. I'm not exaggerating. It smells amazing. It is a moisturizer, vitamin packed, growth enhancing styling mousse, which that is also really exciting, and it helps with hair growth. And I've been having not that much hair growth. Like, my hair, it hasn't been growing. I think it's stress really, but I'm glad I have like a few products from Curls that are helping me with hair growth. So this is a great brand, guys. The natural detangler. This vitamin packed fruit is a natural detangler that smooths and silkens the hair shaft. Rich in fatty acids, the monounsaturated fatty acid content in avocados is so good to your hair. When applied directly to hair, moisturizes, nourishes, and strengthens hair strands. So if you want it for hair growth, you massage the avocado oil into your scalp. Also promote blood flow to the hair follicles, aiding in increased hair growth. Guys, this is really great. It's for breakage prone hair, frizzy and dull hair, which I honestly am very, very, very impressed by this product. And I'm Latina, so avocado is a thing that is well known when it comes to hair masks. When I was a little girl, my mom would take avocados and eggs and a bunch of other stuff and create a mask, a hair mask, and avocado was always a main ingredient. Or we would buy avocado oil, like that was a thing. So the fact that they have a line that is avocado is great, because that is really great for your hair. It really does strengthen your hair, especially if you have dyed hair or really damaged hair from like chemicals or just straightening your hair a lot. Avocado really does help with your split ends. Really, it strengthens your hair, honestly. So even if you don't have that, if you use avocado, if you get avocado, you mash it, put a little bit of argan oil or a little bit of olive oil, mix it in, put a mask in your hair will be restored in no time. The next product that I received that I'm excited because this is going to be for my daughter. She could stop using all my other products because I'm using this one on her. It is their Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. It adds sheen, moisture, and definition and create the perfect twist and braid out. I always put little braids in her hair because she has some crazy curls. They're very thick and sometimes they get really tangled, and I always feel bad every day detangling her hair. So I put little braids and she loves it. She likes whipping her hair around. So it's gonna be really great, and it's a moisturizer, so it's not gonna like make it's not gonna make her hair crunchy or anything, and I can put it in her hair and not worry about having to wash it off. It says looking for the perfect product for the perfect twist braid out. This curl defining, shine boosting silky styler will give you the best twist out that'll make you want to shout. The next product is something that I've already had, and they gave me like a little small one. It is their Poppin' Pineapples collection leave-in conditioner, and this I use on my daughter all the time. This is the only leave-in conditioner I use in her hair, and she has combination hair. I believe her hair is like a 3C 4A 4B kind of mixed, and honestly, this makes her hair amazing. That girl has some thick hair. I'm gonna put actually a picture of her promoting the gel in this video so you can see her cute little curls. But this product works heavenly on her hair. I only use this product when I'm gonna put leave-in conditioners, and sometimes I use some Garnier. Actually, their the Legendary Olive, that is my favorite conditioner of all time, but I use it as a leave-in. But I usually use that, but when I found out about this, I use this on her because that's mine, and I'm tired of her taking my stuff. But this is definitely for her. And if you have super curly hair or really thick curls, honestly, I recommend this one because it leaves your hair amazing. I'm not even gonna read much about it because I did make a video about this collection, so I will link that down below in the description and up above so you guys can check out that video. And this collection is honestly amazing, and their products for this smell amazing, like pineapple. It's straight up pineapple. And last but not least, it is their, which I've needed and I did put in my hair, like see my little edges. I will put a video of me attempting to put this. It is their Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste. So I never used paste before. I don't know why. What is wrong with me? My little pelitos are always standing up. They're always like all over the place. My hair could be looking cute, but if you look at my edges, they look crazy. But now they won't because of this product. So I'm really excited. It's like, why didn't I buy it before? Like when I was younger, I used to buy it, but like as I got older, I'm like, I don't don't know what's wrong with me. Anyways, it is formulated with certified organic argan oil, mango butter, and blueberry extract, proven to encourage hair growth, which is great. It smooths unruly edges, adds sheen, and create your favorite natural style. It's effortless, frizz-free curls for multi-ethnic women and girls. Formulated with certified organic ingredients. Which also I will try this on my daughter because just like me, our edges are curly AF and they don't like to stay down no matter how much normal gel I put. It doesn't work out, so I'm gonna need to use this paste to help us out. And thank you to Curls. So that was everything in my Curls birthday box. If you got this box, let me know down in the comments. What did you get in your box? If you got the t-shirt, I am jealous. Just letting you know, I'm jealous, super jealous, so jealous, because I really wanted a t-shirt, but whatever, gonna get over it. But yeah, let me know what you got. What was your favorite product in your box? Or if you liked my box, what was your favorite product in this box? And if you don't use curls and you have curly hair or thicker curls, then what are you waiting for? Because this product, this collection, this brand is for you. And I'll put down the link below and my code so you can get 20% off and shop. And also what I like about Curls is they partnered with this other company. It's called Rapid. They partner with a company that I'm going to link down below, and they sell face masks, hand sanitizer, gloves, shields. So if anybody you know needs them, they can purchase it, no problem, and no red tape. It's like you just buy it and they'll send it to your house. Especially now that we need to constantly wearing face masks, especially here in New York, we can't go anywhere without a face mask. Now it is not allowed. You can't go to the grocery store, you can't ride the bus, you will get in trouble. So yeah, I just wanted to put that little tidbit in the video. I will again link it down below just in case you know anybody who may need masks. You know, if your job doesn't provide you with masks and you have to continue to go to work, well, they should provide you, but sometimes they don't, or they might not provide you with enough. Then you guys can check out the website and get what you need. But yeah, so again, it's my birthday, woohoo! It's Curl's birthday, woohoo! Thank you guys so much for watching. And again, if you want to celebrate our birthdays, use my code and my link both together and buy something from Curls, and I get some credit for it. So only if you use my link and use my code together. If you don't, then it doesn't really help me out. But if you do it together, you can help me celebrate my birthday. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, if it was informative, let me know down below in the description. And like, subscribe, and share. Ring the bell to get notifications. Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. Bye now.